Hello everyone, my name is Purva Jizabra Pawar. I pursue MBA from Sans Institute of Management. Today we are going to know about instrument of money market. First we know about what is money market. A market for short-term funds that are meant to use for a period of to 1 year is known as money market. In the general case, the money market is the source of funds or finance for working capital. The transaction held in the money market involve lending and borrowing of cash for a short term and also consists of the sale and purchase of securities with 1 year. 1 year term or securities which get paid back redeemed within 1 year. Some of the common instruments of the money market money, uh, call money, commercial bills, T-bills, commercial paper, certificates of deposit, etc. A money market does not have a fixed geographical location. However, it includes every organization and institution dealing with short-term debts. Some of the common institutes are the State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, LIC, UTI, other commercial banks, etc. Features of money market. Some of the features of a money market are as follows. First, it is a market for the short term. Second, there is no fixed geographical location of a money market. Third, some of the common instruments of the money market are called money, commercial bills, certificate of deposit, etc. 4. Some of the major institutions involved in the money market are LIC, GIC, RBI, commercial banks, etc. Instruments of money market. First, call money. The money borrowed or lent on a demand for a short period of time, generally 1 day, is known as call money. The term of the call money does not include Sundays and other holidays. It is used mostly by banks. It means that when one bank faces a temporary shortage of cash, then the banks with surplus cash lends the former bank with money for 1 or 2 days. It is also known as interbank call money market. The maturity period of call money is extremely short and varies from 1 day to 15 days. Call money is required by the banks mostly to meet the minimum requirement of CRR, means cash reserve ratio. The interest amount paid on a call money is known as the call rate. A call rate is a very volatile in a nature and varies from day to day and sometimes from even hour to hour. There is an inverse relationship between the interest rate of call money and other securities. It means that when the rate of interest of call money increases, other securities become cheap and vice versa. Second, treasury bill is called T-bill. On behalf of the Government of India, treasury bills are issued by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). With the help of T-bill, the Government of India can get short-term borrowings as they are sold to the general public and banks. The treasury bill are freely transferable and negotiable instrument and are issued at a discount. As treasury bills are issued by the Reserve Bank of India, they are considered the safest investment. The maturity period of the treasury bill varies from 14 days to 364 days. Treasury bills are also known as zero coupon bonds and are issued at a price lower than their face value and are repaid at par. The T-bills are available for a minimum amount of rupees 25,000 and in the multiplies thereof. Third, commercial bill. Commercial bill, also known as trade bill or accommodation bill, are the bills drawn by one organization on another. Commercial bills are the common instrument of the money market which are used in credit sales and purchases. The maturity period of commercial bills is for short term, generally of 90 days. However, one can get the commercial bill discounted with the bank before the maturity period. The trade bills are negotiable and easily transferable instrument. The drawing of the commercial bill hours the bill on the due date. A commercial bill is a written acknowledgement of debt. Therefore, this written acknowledgement, the drawer or maker directs the drawee or payee to make the payment within a fixed time period. The drawee accepts this bill and become liable to the drawer for making the payment on the due date. 4 is commercial paper. An unsecured promissory note issued by the private or public sector companies with a fixed maturity period varying from 15 days to 1 year is known as a commercial paper. It was for the first time introduced in India in 1990. As this instrument is unsecured, it can be issued by companies with creditworthiness and good reputation. The main investor of commercial papers are commercial banks and mutual funds. The funds raised through commercial paper are used by the companies for meeting their flotation cost. This is called bridge financing. Therefore, the main aim of issuing commercial papers are meeting floating cost, meeting short-term funds for seasonal and working capital needs. Fifth is certificate of deposit. A time or deposit that can be sold in a secondary market is known as certificate of deposit. It can be issued by a bank only and is a bearer certificate or document of title. A certificate of deposit is a negotiable and easily transferable instrument. The banks issued the certificate of deposits against the deposit kept by the institution and companies. The time period of a certificate of deposit ranges from 91 days to 1 year. The CDs can be issued to companies, corporations, and individuals during a period of tight liquidity. It is that time when the bank's deposit growth is slow but the credit demand is high. Thank you.